Number 1. 1984 Chevrolet S10 drag truck, $2,500, Fort Riley, Kansas. This 1984 Chevrolet S10 is a drag-focused build emphasizing performance over originality. It features a heavily modified 400 cubic inch small block V8 and a turbo 350 automatic with reverse valve body, along with upgraded fuel delivery, high-rise intake, aggressive rear gearing, and race-oriented internals. The truck runs and stays running, but still needs carburetor tuning. Although described as having a clean title, the original title is missing and only a bill of sale is provided. Best suited for drag racing enthusiasts rather than collectors. Number 2. 1955 Chevrolet pickup short bed stepside, $8,500, Greenville, Illinois. This 1955 Chevrolet short bed stepside is a solid restoration candidate with classic mid-50s styling. Powered by a V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it has been stored indoors on concrete for many years. The body is solid, with only minor trim pieces missing that are readily available. With a clean title and strong structure, it offers an excellent foundation for a traditional Chevrolet truck restoration. Number 3. 1969 Ford F250 two-wheel drive, $7,500, Santee, California. This 1969 Ford F250 is a well-preserved heavy-duty pickup powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include modern 16-inch wheels and new tires, improving road manners while keeping a period-correct look. The exceptionally straight original tailgate is a notable highlight. With a clean title and honest presentation, it is a practical and usable vintage Ford. Number 4. 1967 Dodge W300 four-wheel drive dump truck, $10,000, Bremerton, Washington. This 1967 Dodge W300 is a rare four-wheel drive dump truck featuring a factory 318 cubic inch V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and very low original mileage. The dual-cylinder hydraulic dump bed adds unique functionality. It runs well, but needs exhaust work and axle seals. With a clean title and largely unmodified condition, it holds strong appeal among collectors and utility-minded enthusiasts. Number 5. 1969 GMC C20 Longhorn Camper Special, $10,000, Centralia, Washington. This 1969 GMC C20 Longhorn Camper Special is a rare factory long bed 3/4 ton pickup with an 8.5-foot bed. Powered by a 396 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it was built for towing and camper duty. Documented original paperwork and relatively low mileage enhance its collector value. While rust in common areas and a worn wood bed floor are present, these issues are typical and repairable. Number 6. 1959 Chevrolet Apache short wheelbase, $9,500, Kosse, Texas. This 1959 Chevrolet Apache has received extensive mechanical restoration, including a fully rebuilt 350 V8 and rebuilt 4-speed manual transmission with Hurst shifter. Upgrades to wiring, brakes, seals, and interior components make it road-ready rather than a project. With minimal miles since restoration and a clean Texas title, it offers reliable classic driving with vintage style. Number 7. 1938 Plymouth PT57 half-ton pickup, $12,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1938 Plymouth PT57 is a rare pre-war pickup with strong historical significance. Powered by an updated flathead six-cylinder engine, it retains its original character while benefiting from mechanical improvements. Solid sheet metal reflects its dry climate history. While it needs glass replacement and minor interior attention, its rarity and original components make it highly attractive to serious collectors. Number 8. 1956 Ford F250, $11,500, Chico, California. This 1956 Ford F200 250 features the desirable 272 cubic inch Y-block V8 and a manual transmission. Recent work includes new wiring, fuel system updates, and engine tuning, allowing it to run and drive reliably. Extra parts are included for future improvements. With a clean title and solid mechanical condition, it is well suited for an enthusiast-driven restoration. Number 9. 1985 Ford Ranger four-wheel drive, $650, Santa Cruz, California. This 1985 Ford Ranger four-wheel drive is a low-cost project parts truck. Equipped with a six-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it has been off the road for many years and sustained cab damage from a fallen tree branch. Offered with a clean title and non-operation status, it is best suited for parts use or a creative rebuild. Number 10. 1965 Ford F100, $15,000, Denver, Colorado. This 1965 Ford F100 is a clean, largely rust-free classic powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It runs well and features interior upgrades, including new seats, headliner, and a modern audio system. Only minor finishing work remains. With a clean title and strong drivability, it works well as a casual classic or light-duty farm truck. Number 11. 1964 Chevrolet K10 four-wheel drive, $13,500, Chico, California. This 1964 Chevrolet K10 is an original four-wheel drive long bed stepside pickup powered by a 283 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission with granny low. Built for durability and off-road capability, it remains in running condition with its original drivetrain layout. Despite a broken odometer and fair overall condition, it is a desirable and increasingly collectible early Chevrolet four-wheel drive truck.